Meaning of George Eliot.
George Eliot.
George Eliot.
George Eliot.
George Eliot. George Eliot is the pen name of Marian Evans, who was a prominent English novelist in the 19th century. She wrote some of the most influential and widely read novels of her time, including Middlemarch, The Mill on the Floss, and Silas Marner. Her writing explored complex social and psychological themes, often delving into the inner lives of women. George Eliot became a household name and is still considered one of the greatest writers in the English language to this day.